everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jaime and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts to say our special yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. So we're off to see Squish the fish today, our old pal. Now we know that Squish lives in the sea, don't we? So let's pack ourselves a delicious picnic so we can get on our way. We stretch our legs nice and long, bend our knees a little bit, reach all the way up and fold forwards. Now we lift our arms to open the lid of our picnic basket. Ooh. Stretching our legs long, we take our arms wide and we twist one way for some sandwiches. Bringing our sandwiches to the front, we wrap up the sandwiches and we pop them in the basket. Ooh. Arms wide again, we twist the other way and we get some yummy fruits. Some mango, strawberries and peaches. Let's get those lovely fruits and plop them in the basket. Plop, 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 plop. Plop, 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 plop. Arms wide again. We twist the other way and we get, something nice to drink. What's your favourite drink? Oh, yeah. Let's get some of that. Bring that to the front. Check the lid's on. And pop it in the basket. Ooh. We reach our arms all the way up, bend our knees a little bit and fold forwards to close the lid. Ooh. There, now we're ready to go. Bring, 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 bring. Oh, that's the telephone. Let's answer it, taking hold of our foot and holding it to our ear so that we can listen. Hello? Oh, hi, Squish. We didn't know that fish had phones. Oh, fin phones. That's clever. Cool, go you. OK. Oh, so you're not in the sea? Well, where are you then? Pardon? You're breaking up a bit, Squish. What? Oh, he seems to have gone. We put the phone down. Well, if Squish isn't in the sea, where is he? Bring, 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 bring. Oh, that's the other phone. Let's answer that one now. Picking up our other foot and holding that one to our ear. Hello? Oh, you're back, Squish. Good. So, you're not in the sea. Where are you? What, space? What, actual space? With the moon and the stars and planets and things? Wow. Oh, yes, of course. We'd love to come, wouldn't we? Yes. OK, yeah, well, we'll take the rocket. Yeah. Okie doke. Yeah. All right then, Squish. Yeah. Love you. Bye. 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 We put the phone down. Well, this is exciting, isn't it? Come on, let's do our rocket pose and take off into space. Coming up to stand, we take our feet wide, our arms wide, and we reach our hands all the way up, making our pointy rocket noses going whoosh! All the way up into space. Oh, wow, it's so cool. But we're coming in to land on planet Venus. And we're landing in a tree. Oh, no. Coming to stand, everyone. Let's do our tree pose. Bringing one foot on top of the other, using our heel, our toes for balance. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we grow, grow, grow our branches high and open them out wide. Well, did you know? The trees on planet Venus grow love flowers. So let's see if we can make our branches into a heart shape by bringing them all the way in and pointing them down on the top of our head. Very good, everyone. Now, I wonder how strong you love trees are. You stay tall and strong in your love tree pose. I'm going to come and try and blow you down. Ready? Here I come. Doopy-doopy-doo. Wow, you are super strong. You must be using your gravity powers. Amazing. Let's try and do our love tree pose on the other side, shall we? Bringing our other foot on top now, using our heel, our toes for balance, hands together. We grow our branches high and open them out wide. And let's bring those branches in for a little bit more heart-shaped love. And we're starting to feel a bit light. Oh, we're starting to float. Oh, in zero gravity. Come on, everyone. Let's do some swimming, some space swimming. Coming to lie on our tummies. We take our arms out wide. We lift one leg all the way up and we take it over to one way. Then we come all the way back to centre. We lift the other leg up and we go all the way over the other way. Like a giant manta space ray. Amazing. Coming all the way back to centre. Oh, wow. We're floating again and we're about to land on Mercury, which is covered in hot lava. It's a bit hot for swimming, isn't it? Maybe we should do some surfing. What do you think? Come on, everyone. Come up onto our hands and knees. We step a foot forward, coming onto our sizzle surfboards, turn our back foot round, cartwheel our arms round, and we are surfing! I wonder if we can surf backwards on our sizzle surfboards. After 3, let's jump and try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing! Yay! Well done, everyone! Phew! It's really hot, isn't it? Surfing on hot lava. Goodness me, I think we should activate the jets and get out of here. Let's do our wizard pose. Bringing our hand onto our back leg, we sweep our front arm all the way up to the sky, taking off into the stars. Woo! Now let's jump over the half moon, just like the cow in our half moon pose. We bring a hand onto our hip. Now we hop forwards a little bit, tilting all the way down, using our hand for balance and lifting our top arm up to the sky, going moo, just like the cow who jumped over the moon. Coming all the way back to centre. Phew, goodness me. But look, we seem to have landed in a space shipwreck. Let's do our space shipwreck pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms, knees bent, feet flat, hands behind us. We lift up one foot, lift up two, lift up one hand and lift up no hands. And give me a wave. Hi! Ooh, it's a bit quiet here in this space shipwreck, isn't it? Oh, we feel a bit worried and alone. Where's Squish? We can help ourselves though, can't we? We give our knees a big hug into our chest. Oh, that feels better. Then we cross our legs and we rub our ears all the way from the bottoms to the tops. Oh, that makes us feel so much calmer, doesn't it? Oh, wonderful. Now we bring our hands onto our knees and we see if we can take a big deep breath in for 4. Ready? And can we breathe out for 6? Let's try. Very good, everyone. And we feel pretty relaxed now. So much better. So why don't we have a look through our cosmonoculars again and see what we can see? Joining those thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Wow, look at this. Oh, that is a cosmic clamshell. Lowering our hands, let's do our cosmic clamshell pose. Drawing the soles of our feet together, making our legs into a nice big diamond shape. We hold on to our ankles and we fold all the way forwards because this cosmic clamshell is closed. But it's wiggling around, and it sounds like something's talking inside it. Let's turn our head one way to have a listen. Oh, let's turn our head the other way and listen there. Oh, sitting up tall. Squish? Is that you? Oh no, we think Squish must be trapped inside. We need to open up this cosmic clamshell. But how? We draw our feet in a little bit. Let's try rocking it from side to side. That might work. Hands to the side and rock it, rock it, rock it. No, that doesn't seem to be working, does it? Oh, maybe we should try twisting it. Coming to lie on our backs, arms wide, lifting up our legs, we twist the cosmic clamshell over one way. That doesn't work, does it? And now all the way over the other way. Nope, still not unlocking. We come back up to sit and, hey, maybe we should try coming up to stand and jumping up and down on it. Yeah, come on everyone. Let's try. Ready? Boing, 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 boing. No, it's still not opening. Let's take a closer look. Standing with our feet a little bit wider, we squat all the way down and nuzzle our arms in between our knees and press our hands together to get a closer look. Oh, look, we can see the lock is twinkling. It's twinkling in the shape of a star. Let's try our star pose. That might unlock it. Up we come to stand, everyone. Feet nice and wide, arms wide. We jump forwards to pop it in the lock. Now we tilt over one way. Tock, tock, tock. And we go over the other way. Click, click, click. Coming back to centre. We hear it click, unlock. We come all the way down to sit in our cosmic clamshell pose again. Soles of our feet together, big wide diamond shape, holding our ankles and folding forwards. And after 3, we come up as it pops open. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pop! And out swims Squish the fish! Let's do our fish pose. Sitting up nice and tall, legs long, we point our toes, come down onto our forearms. Now we pop, pop, pop our chest to the sky, looking all the way up and back behind us like a fish. Squish swims right over to us and says, "Dudes!" He comes up to sit in an easy pose, crossing his fins and relaxing. "Dudes, I'm so glad you're here. I found a cosmic clamshell in the bottom of the ocean. I got inside, the safety catch locked, and it rocketed me up to space. I thought I was going to be stuck in there forever, and then I called you guys, and you came to my rescue." Oh, Squish. Well, it's our pleasure, isn't it? But hey, it's getting late. We'd best be getting home, hadn't we? Time to fire up this cosmic clamshell. Let's activate its wings. Stretching our legs out long, we draw one foot in and reach forward to our long leg. Then we sweep our other arm all the way up and over to whiz around the rings of Saturn. Whee! We come all the way back to centre, stretch our leg the other way, bring our other foot in, reach forward to our long leg and sweep our other arm all the way up and over, going zoo! Amazing! We come all the way back to sit with our legs crossed and get ready for a soft landing by doing our very special tick-tock mindfulness rhyme, rocking side to side as we say, tick-tock, like a clock, until I find my centre. Did you find it? No? Shall we try it again then? Come on then. Tick-tock, like a clock, until I find my centre. Oh, we found it that time, didn't we? Goodness me. Squish drops us off home and off he heads to the ocean in the cosmic clamshell. But it's very late and very dark. Everyone's asleep. So we come up to stand and we tiptoe up to our lovely room. Where our bed is waiting for us. How lovely is that? We get into our bed, legs long. We bring the covers all the way up and let our arms rest by our sides as our head sinks into the pillow. We take a big deep breath. And we maybe close our eyes, letting our whole body rest and relax. What an amazing adventure. We were so brave. All the cool things we did, like surfing lava on Mercury and jumping over the moon. And being there for our friend Squish right when he needed us. It makes us feel proud. And we lie here feeling so full of that lovely feeling. Now it's time to wake up. We wiggle our toes, we wiggle our fingers. We hug our knees into our chest, maybe giving our knees a little kiss. We roll over onto our sides and press ourselves up to sit with our legs crossed and our hands together at our hearts to finish just the way we started, with our special yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow. You were amazing in our Squish the Fish in Space adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.